Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got what I consider a fantastic buy. I got it yesterday. I am going to do a detailed review of this radio, but it's on sale right now, so I wanted to get this out so you could, if you want to get it and get the 30% off, it's normally $19.99. It's on sale for $13.99. Even at the original price, $20, it's a great buy. This is a little misleading. And I sent in a message saying, hey, you got to fix this. It says shortwave radio. It's not shortwave. It's FM only. So the wording up here is almost as bad as the wording in their manual. It's FM, Bluetooth, MP3 player, a clock, a sleep timer, several other things. It has automatic tuning and storing at up to 30 frequencies. Color display. I don't know if they show. See, they don't show much detail that shows the color. A little bit of color here, but it is a color display. Got, lots of things in color. That one kind of shows a little bit of color. And here it says it's FM only, 87 to 108, and Bluetooth. And another thing that's wrong in their ad is they say dimension is 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch. It's be tiny. No, it's about 6 inches by 4 inches. There's the dimensions in centimeters. Display, I would say it's about 4-inch diameter display. Big speaker, beautiful sound. Mono only. It does have auxiliary input. I believe it's auxiliary input. Maybe it's external jack. I have to check on that. Let's see, here we go. 35 headphone jack. Yeah, it's not auxiliary input. It's a headphone jack. So you can use, and it's stereo. So you can use headphones if you want, or another speaker stereo amplifier. Lots of features. I really like it. Like I say, I wanted to get this out so you can catch the sale if you possibly can, or they may run out of them. This is the brand. I have no idea how to pronounce that. And I'm going to put it in my Amazon store because I really like it. The link to my Amazon store is in the description below each of my videos. If you go there, it's like going to Amazon, except I have a store page of things I recommend. And if you buy one while you're there, I get a small commission, which I use to buy radios like this. Okay, have a great holiday, and have a great day. Bye-bye.